Making PCB, and for PCB manufacturing we require some material like first we require copper clad, then we require printout on photo paper, then kitchen scrubber to clean the PCB, then paper tape to paste this paper on this copper, then we require hot iron, then we require water for pattern transfer to remove the paper, then we require toothbrush to clean the PCB, we require cotton to clean the PCB, then we require PCB etching machine. Here we are using solution ferrous chloride FeCl3. After that we require water pump to clean this. Then to remove the ink we are using acetone. You can use nail paint remover or anything. Then you can use hand drill machine or electric drill machine. So these are the material required for our practical. Okay. So first we have to take printout on photo paper, and our first step is clean the PCB using kitchen scrubber. So you have to clean the PCB using kitchen scrubber. So your first step is cleaning the PCB. Okay. Then second step, you have to paste this. You have to keep this PCB here, and you have to paste using paper tape. We cannot use plastic tape because we are providing heat. If you provide plastic tape, then that plastic will also affect by heat. So we are using paper tape. So this is your paper tape. So we have to paste like this. This is our combination, and we have to provide heat using iron from this side, from paper side. This is our ready for heating. We are using electric iron. You have to keep this temperature maximum. You have to keep this temperature maximum. You have to wait until this LED turns off, which indicates iron is completely heated. Then you have to take this copper plate, and we have to provide heat. So we are waiting for heat. Now you have to keep iron like this, and you have to give pressure for maximum half minute. Maximum half minute. So I am giving pressure. After half minute, we have to press. We have to press like this. Edges, from these edges of iron you have to press. From all sides. If you heat more than 1 minute, then PCB may damage. So again after that you have to press for half minute. So half minute press, half minute ironing, and half minute press. So you require maximum 2 minutes. Okay. After that you have to put this combination into water. In water your paper will be removed. You have to keep paper outside this track, and you can see the pattern transfer. So the diagram from paper, this is the diagram from paper, is transferred on copper plate. This is pattern transfer. Now if you see there is some paper, so you can use toothbrush to clean that paper. Don't use your nails. You can use your thumb also, fingers also, but don't use your nails. So clean the PCB. So PCB is cleaned. This is known as pattern transfer. So this is pattern transfer. Now next step is etching. Etching means removing of unwanted copper. So for etching we have to use this etching machine. This is a rocker type etching machine. So we have to keep our PCB here. This is the power supply. We have to connect power supply here. Now we are using this solution, ferrous chloride PCB etching solution. Now this solution is harmful for cloths. It is not harmful for body. So सिर्फ कपड़े संभाल के रखने हैं. Alternate solution for etching is FeCl3, ferrous chloride and H2SO4. But H2SO4 is harmful for body. So keep cloths away from this solution. Now we have to add water also. So if water content is more, then solution will become dilute. So this is ferrous chloride FeCl3. Okay. Now we have to add water. So water. So we have to add water. Water contents are only up to PCB जब तक डीप नहीं होता उतना ही वाटर कंटेंट डालना है. Now when you do the etching, heat will generate. So this is rocker type etching machine. You have to do like this up to minimum 10 minutes. But if we are doing this, we are busy. So we had made this PCB etching machine. So we'll turn on this PCB etching machine. Turn on this etching machine. So I'll turn on this etching machine. So this is a rocker type etching machine. It will take minimum 5 to 6 minutes for etching. Now there are 3 types of etching machines: rocker etching machine, second bubble tank etching machine, and third spray etching machine. In industry we are using spray etching machine, which is faster, which takes maximum 3 to 4 minutes for etching. Bubble tank, which will take maximum 6 to 7 minutes, and this rocker type etching machine, it will take maximum 10 minutes. So we had made this solution concentrated. So we are not waiting for 10 minutes, it will do within 3 to 4 minutes. So we have to check whether etching is done or not. So this is your etching process. Now we'll check whether the process. So this is your PCB. I will clean this. You can check. Outer copper is removed, but still there are some copper. So again we have to insert this into this and we have to turn on. So we have to wait minimum 5 minutes for etching. Light on full. Light on. So we'll check whether it is finished or not. Still only 5% remaining. So my PCB is ready. Now how to check whether it is ready or not? How to check whether it is ready or not? So this is your back side where track is not there. So you have to put light source below this, and you can check whether you are getting the circuit diagram or not. If you are getting circuit diagram, means your layout is okay, PCB is okay. Even you can check with light source also. So our layout is ready. So this is your etching process. Etching process means removing of unwanted copper. Our next step is removing of this ink. So I will clean this PCB. Removing of ink. Removing of ink, we are using acetone. You can use acetone or nail paint remover. So we are using acetone. This is acetone. Okay, you can say thinner also. So we have to keep this all clean. So I will put this acetone here. You have to wait for half minute. You have to wait for half minute, and after half minute you have to clean it. So if you clean, you can see ink is removed. So ink is removed. So this is my cleaning. Okay, now next step is drilling. Okay, so drilling is drilling. For that you can use this hand drill machine, or you can use this electric drill machine, or you can use bench drill machine. Okay, so for drilling you have to keep it here. This is your on off button. Just press this. ऑन में ही अंदर प्रेस करना है, ऑन में ही बाहर निकालना है. So this step is drilling. Drills should be at the end of track. So after drilling, this is my top view. From top side you are observing only holes, and from bottom side these are copper track. So this is your experiment number 4, sorry, experiment number 5, PCB manufacturing. Okay.